What's up guys, JTM Off-Road here. Today's video, we're talking technology. Alrighty guys, so if you have come across this video, chances are you have an older car that does not have Bluetooth capabilities like the newer ones do. And you're looking for a cheap way to get it. To put something in my lifted Avalanche, I wanted to get something that was a little nicer, had like maybe Apple CarPlay or something, and it just didn't make sense because after it was all said and done, I was looking at stuff that was like $400, you know, and up. If I want something that has a CD player in it, you got to shell out more towards like $500 for something like that. So wasn't a viable option for me. So I remembered, you know, 10 years ago or so when I was in high school, you know, driving around my mom's station wagon, had an FM, you know, radio, AM, FM radio, nothing else, no tape player, no CD player, nothing. I didn't really have much of an option. I didn't want to listen to the radio all the time, so I found out there was FM transmitters you could buy. So it was something you plug into your cigarette outlet, and you had a cord that would run from that to your MP3 player, whatever, and you would change it to the frequency that matched the frequency on your radio, so like 88.9, whatever, and it would play back. And sometimes you'd have to change a station. You know, it's always really, you know, sometimes it wasn't the best quality. It wasn't the best. It worked. You could listen to something other than the radio, and you got to listen to what you wanted to listen to. So I got to thinking about it. I'm like, you know, 10 years later, technology has to be better, right? Well, it is. So this is the FM transmitter I went with. It is made by Lehan, I think. Definitely, you know, from another country. But so far it works pretty well. It's got two USB chargers. One's a lot faster than the other. Does hand-free calling and also plays music. So let's go ahead and jump in the truck and show you what it does. So we have our FM transmitter. We want to plug it in to the USB port. Right now we're set on 88.9. If you want to change the channel, you press the button, and then, well, you actually hold the button in, and then you can turn the knob, change it wherever you want to go. So we're on 88.9. We'll go ahead and press the button again, and it's set. After that, we want to come up to our radio, make sure we're on 88.9 as well. That's what we're set to. So, I'm going to go ahead and hop on my phone here. We'll play a tune. All my subscribers, I'm sure you'll remember exactly what this is. That's some good quality. Very good quality. There's lots of bass, everything. It's just phenomenal. It's actually somehow better than all the CDs that come through here. I don't know how, but it's so much better. That's about all there is to it. It's super simple, super cheap. Quality is amazing. The quality has come just so far since when I first started using these. I don't know when they actually started coming out, but you know, 10 years ago, actually probably a little more than 10 years ago. Yeah, they're so much better than they used to be. So I'm definitely not going to run out and get a new head unit anytime soon. I've got other things I want to spend my money on. But $17 to get myself some Bluetooth so I can actually play stuff off my phone. So much better option. I'm so tired of listening to the same 60 CDs that have been in my truck for like 3 years. I don't know. It finally had to do something. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I don't know if many people know about FM transmitters. I feel like a lot of people do, but if you don't know about them, now you do. So this is a little different video than I normally do, but I got it, was so excited about it, figured I'd do a video on it. Maybe help somebody out there. So we didn't really get into anything, you know, mechanically with the truck or the Jeep or anything. But I thought it'd be a good video to do anyway. So If you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. I'd say that's about it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.